we just made $14,400 with this very simple strategy. I have done a lot of remarkable things for this community. I've done a lot of high volume trades. I've taught you step by step how to use price action to actually understand the market and make constant profit for yourself. But what I'm about to show you right here in this very live operation is something I have never done before. Without wasting further time, let us get started. So this is the AUD USD. This is the OTC market, and as you can see, guys, right here we are risking 7 grand. We are trading over a period of 5 minutes expiry. Let's see how much we get out to a balance of 238 grand, as you can see right here. So if you pay a close attention to this chart, you will see that the buyers has been very strong for the past few minutes, and this right here is a very strong move for the buyers. They have been breaking every single level that comes their way, right? We're having series and series of green candles. So that being said, what can we do when we have this kind of market condition? This is not a regular move. If the price moves like this, most of the time price needs to reverse back a little bit, because this movement, like I said, is not normal. So if you pay close attention, you will see that if I draw a horizontal level, this right here happened to be the ceiling that was close to the movement. Price has broke above it, you can see right here, and because of that, we will looking to see the next level that can reverse the market so that price can fall down a little bit. What we are trying to do is to capitalize on when these moves become weak and the sellers move the price down a little bit. So what I will do is very simple. Like I said, this movement is not a regular one, but as price is moving now in direction of the buyers, price needs to also retrace back a little bit. That is where we will be finding our entry. So let's see the level that can potentially reverse the market. So if we go back a little bit, we try to see some of the levels that have been present in the past. So I will try to see if this is the obvious level now that the price is testing. Okay, obviously this right here happened to be, so I will join the sellers on this very one. I hope this is not a late entry, but this right here is where I would have entered my trade. This very candle, this right here is the perfect entry. So let us see what happens with this very trade. Like I said, you probably have never seen me take this type of trade. These setups are usually very profitable and they are high probability trade. If you have capital, you can make tons of dollars from trading this very simple setup. Talking about capital, we give away all our signals every single day 100% for free. This is gonna blow your mind. We give away over 60 signals every single day 100% for free. So for those of you who doesn't have capital but you want to make money trading the financial market, these signals can help you do so. The link is pinned below in the comment section. Join us and let us make money together starting right now. When we trade the financial market, one thing you need to understand is that precision is key. I missed out on the entry. Like I said, the ending of this very candle is supposed to be my entry, but somehow before I came back, I was trying to see the levels in the past. Before I came back, this candle already finished and I had to enter this trade on this very level. So I'm a professional in the game, but you are not. So make sure that your entry are a little bit sharp, and this is something that comes with practicing. When you practice over time, you get better, and then you have to refine your strategies and make sure that your entry is super powerful. When we trade the financial market, especially when we trade the binary options, we are making use of the best and the fastest move of the market. This is not forex, so your entry is super important. Look at this, guys. See how beautiful price kept going down after I entered my trade. This is so beautiful to watch. This right here is a perfect and a beautiful strategy, and you can start to make money starting right now. If you find value in this type of content, go ahead and give us a like. Make sure to subscribe, turn the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our important live operations that will be coming up in the future. If you're interested in being a part of our mentorship program, the link will be pinned below in the comment section. Join us, let us teach you how to start making money using pure price action. This right here is a very beautiful execution. The execution was perfect, entry was perfect. We just made $14,400 with this very simple strategy. If you miss out on anything about this live operation, you will continue to lose money, but if you stick to the end of this video, this will change the way you trade for life. One thing you really need to understand is that trading using price action is not supposed to be that difficult. The problem a lot of people have is that they don't practice, and the people who spend a lot of time on the screen most times spend a lot of time doing the wrong things. Now, if you focus on trading using indicators and robots, people make profit with that, but that is not sustainable. So the time you're spending on trying indicators and trying some robot and making your chart looks like some stupid shrine is why you are not moving forward. So practice, focus on what really matters, and price action is one of the key things that can change the way you trade for life. So let me quickly walk you through every single thing about this very live operation. So this move, as you can see right here, was the reason behind this very beautiful trade. This move, like I said, it is not a normal move, and as you can see now, the sellers are stepping in and they are trying to correct the move that the buyers has made, because like I said again, this move is not a normal one. When price price is moving like this, there are high chance that the price will reverse and the sellers will start to move the price downward. But the question is, where will the market reverse? So what I did was try to look back in the past to see how market has reacted and some of the key levels that I can trust. Now this right here became a level of resistance. Okay, so the whole idea was simple. I was waiting to see if the price reversed from this very level, but what happened is that when the market get there, considering the fact that it was such a very high pressure, the price broke above and this level was unable to hold the price. Now the beautiful thing about trading setup like this is that you just have to follow the market until you find an area that has the potential of reversing the market. So when this area failed, what I did was I had to move back in past to see the next level that has the high potential, and this became the level that I could trust. So I have to move this horizontal level and I had it right here, guys. So before I came back, I found out that this area is where will reverse the market and this candle has already closed. And because I'm a sniper in the game, I had to enter my trade immediately, because even though the price closed, I saw that this has a lot of potential and the pressure is going to be very explosive. So I took my trade at the start of this very beautiful candle, and even though entry is super important, I know that this will be a market that will reverse, and of course that was exactly what happened. So all you have to learn from this very setup is very simple. You have to follow the market and you have to try to see the areas that can potentially reverse the market. Keep moving your horizontal level. Anywhere the market breaks above, move the level to the upper side until you eventually find the level. Now what exactly is about this very beautiful candle? Now the conference is very simple. One, this right here is a key level which has the potential of reversing the market, and this candle was also a potential very beautiful aggressive candle, and it is in the direction of those sellers. Why did I say that? If you pay a close attention to this very candle, you will see a strong rejection on the upper side, which means that the price opened here and then the buyers move the price all the way up, creating this upper wick as you can see right here, and then immediately seller steps in and the price moves strongly on the downside and it closed far below the opening price. In addition to that, it also engulfed below the last green candle, as you can find right here. So this right here is a selling confirmation without any doubt. If you are going to be trading this very simple setup, this is exactly how you should go about it. Look for beautiful levels that can reverse the market and find strong confirmations just like the one I just had right here. So let me know below in the comment section, would you be taking this kind of trade in the future? And if you find any interest or any questions about this very live operation, drop them below in the comment section. We are very good at replying to comments in the comment section, guys. I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.